came to the parking lot of our local grocery store to feed the birds. My mom brought some rice, and we've been studying bird behavior, at least the bird behavior of seagulls, over the last little while, and discovered that there are two types: a brown type, which has a very dominant personality, and one that's grayish blue, the one that you see closer to the screen. And what the brown ones like to do is they like to protect whatever bit of food that they find from the blue ones, and they get incredibly defensive and aggressive, and sometimes there's infighting amongst the brown birds, infighting amongst the blue birds, and then fighting between the blue and brown birds. But the funny thing is that there's so much food, and one bird can really not consume everything that's there, but they get very, very territorial. Things are dying down a bit. I think all these birds are getting their fix. You see there's a little bit of fighting still going on. Wow, do you see those two large birds towards the center of the pile that is sort of circling the pile, and all of the other birds are kind of intimidated. And what we've also noticed is that there are calls, so we'll dump whatever food we bring to the birds somewhere, and even before they approach the food there are a lot of calls to birds of their own kind to call in for what I think is backup support, so that their fellow brothers, sisters, parents, what have you, have the opportunity to eat and also to defend what they think is theirs against the other types of birds. So there you go, bird feeding in the parking lot of a supermarket.